In this video, I'm going to show you how you can connect Trust Wallet to PancakeSwap and how you can use this method to connect to other DApps. In a recent Trust Wallet tutorial, we showed how iOS users could add the DApp browser back into the Trust Wallet, which was previously removed to comply with the new App Store guidelines. However, a further Apple update has now stopped this workaround from working. So how can you connect Trust Wallet to PancakeSwap? Well, in this video, I'll explain the current workaround and how you can connect your Trust Wallet to PancakeSwap using a mobile device or a desktop. For more information, please check out everybethelps.co.uk. Previously, the Trust Wallet, which was acquired by Binance in 2018, provided access to an inbuilt browser, which was a fully functional Web3 browser that could be used to interact with any DApp. And it was a simple and secure connection between you and any Binance Smart Chain or Ethereum-based DApp, including the likes of PancakeSwap, SushiSwap and Uniswap. So why was the DApp browser removed from the Trust Wallet? The DApp browser was removed for iOS users from within the Trust Wallet in June 2020, and this was to comply with new App Store guidelines. All apps on iOS must conform to a certain set of guidelines just to be able to be listed in the App Store. Unfortunately, DApps are deemed as code not embedded in the app binary, and therefore they need to meet criteria to be allowed in the iOS app. Now, although the Trust Wallet team did try and resolve this issue, they had to remove the feature from future releases of the app. And we managed to find a solution, and we posted a video on how to add the DApp browser back into the Trust Wallet. However, a further update means that it's no longer possible. But luckily, there is still a way for iOS users to be able to connect Trust Wallet to PancakeSwap, which is using WalletConnect. WalletConnect is an open source protocol, and it's supported by many different decentralized applications and wallets, allowing users to connect decentralized applications, or DApps, to mobile wallets by scanning a QR code with your mobile phone. And users can interact securely with any DApp using their mobile without having to use an inbuilt DApp browser, just as long as the app supports WalletConnect. So let's jump in, and I'm going to show you two different ways to connect your Trust Wallet to PancakeSwap using WalletConnect, and that's either via the desktop or your mobile device. And these methods don't just apply to PancakeSwap, they'll also apply to any DApp that supports WalletConnect. If you don't already have a Trust Wallet or a Binance account, I've got a promotional sign-up link in the summary below that you can use. First, I'll show you connecting with a mobile device, as this will be the closest experience to using the DApp browser. So if you open a browser on your mobile device, and in this instance, I'm going to be using Brave, and then navigate to PancakeSwap. And if we then press on to Connect in the top right-hand side of our screen, and choose WalletConnect from the list of supported wallets. And you'll need to ensure that you are on the mobile tab at the top here. Then select Trust from the list of preferred wallets. And your Trust Wallet app will then open. And you'll be prompted with PancakeSwap wants to connect to your wallet, and from here you can press on to connect. You'll then be prompted to go back to your browser on your mobile, where you can see that over on PancakeSwap, my wallet is now connected in the top right-hand side of the screen. And you'll need to ensure that you do keep WalletConnect open on your Trust Wallet app. So that was pretty easy. So next up, let's take a look at using your Trust Wallet with a desktop. So if you open a browser on the desktop or a laptop and navigate to PancakeSwap, then click on to Connect in the top right-hand side of your screen. From the list of supported wallets, select WalletConnect. Then open the Trust Wallet app on your mobile device. And if we press onto the settings icon in the bottom right-hand side of our screen, from here we'll choose WalletConnect. Then with your mobile device, you can then scan the QR code that's showing up on your desktop or your laptop screen. And over on your Trust Wallet app, you'll then be prompted with PancakeSwap wants to connect to your wallet, and from here you can press on to connect. Then head back to your browser, and you'll see that your wallet will then be connected in the top right hand side of the screen. And again, to ensure that the connection is kept, just make sure that you keep WalletConnect open on your Trust Wallet app. Now, if you're not too sure how to use PancakeSwap or the Trust Wallet, I've also got full tutorials available, which I'll link below. But that's how you can connect Trust Wallet to PancakeSwap with WalletConnect. And I hope you enjoyed this video today, and if you did, then please give me a like, hit the subscribe button, and please do head over to my website at everybithelps.co.uk for more tips, reviews, and step-by-step guides. Thanks, and I'll see you soon.